Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Ben Trey, the director of Upstate New York Commercial Cleaning, and I just wanted to put a quick video out there that I will be going to my first ever cleaning conference, my first ever conference in general. This conference is it's really for any business, but it's going to be mainly cleaning services there. Those that do commercial buildings as well as residential Airbnbs, things like that. If you didn't know, we focus on office buildings. We're a janitorial company located here in upstate New York. So I just wanted to do a quick video that I will be going to my first ever conference. The host is AJ Simmons. I've been following him for a while. I want to say maybe 3 to 4 years, something like that. And I'm gonna put a link also under the video if you want to also check out some of the past events that that he hosted. The conference is called the Clean Biz Network Conference, so I'll put a link in the description. You can check out videos of the conference from past years, and also I'll put a link in the description if you are interested in possibly going. So I am excited. Last year I did want to go, but it was two things that that got me hesitant on going. It was all personal. The first thing was I've never been on the plane before, so I was kind of hesitant with that. So when I finally was like, okay, I'm gonna go and get my tickets and things like that, the second thing that gave me a pause was they said I needed like a certain ID to fly. I didn't have that. I only had my regular driver license. I think I still could have flew even without that specific ID that the TSA, the airport, now requires. But I didn't want to take any chances being my first time. So I was disappointed. I did end up getting my passport and taking my first trip on the plane last summer. So I'm really excited. And yeah, so like I said, check out the link if you want to check out some of the videos of the Clean Biz Network. And if you are interested in going or checking it out, they'll have online tickets too. So yeah, I haven't made a video in a while. I'm going to try to start posting. We did change our cleaning business name. I'm gonna probably put a video out on that, on why. And so yeah, so my name is Ben Trey, and I hope you have a blessed one. Peace.